magpa-check up today guys. Situation of my nose. Hindi siya nagtutugo.
Dugay na ni mag-infection. Trata, pneumonia ta.
Hello guys, good morning. Good morning daddy. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm trying to wake up.
Say good morning guys.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. I'll wake you up in a little bit.
Hello guys. For a couple of days na I'm not feeling well. Parang gusto kong magpa-check up today guys for I can know what will be the situation of my nose. Sa sinus guys ba? Kasi lagi siyang nagdudugo.
Your nose is always stuck.
Then, ano siya guys? Ito, hubag. Siya, hubag. Para akong may ano dito guys. Then, hubby told me to go for check-up for I can know sinus ko. Kasi dudugo siya. Always make a blood. Right, daddy?
Yep.
Last time, sinabihan ako na dapat magpa-opera. Hindi ako makapag-opera guys. Kasi, una-una, pag magpapa-opera ako, walang makaalaga kay Danny. I've been experienced for people that have been in operation because of the sinus, and
Yep.
it's really true. Yung mga employer ko guys, mag-ama sila. Yung anak at saka yung husband ng amo ko.
Yeah,
Hindi
my brother
talaga.
had to have his, they call that adenoids.
Hindi talaga siya,
Had to have his adenoids removed.
hindi siya ganun kadali kung magpapa-opera ka ng ilong, tas ikaw lang yung nag sa trabaho guys ba, sa bahay. Then, di ka makapag yan guys, yung amo ko at saka anak ng amo ko, for 1 week ko silang inaalagaan kasi every time that they're going to move, dudugo yung ilong. And then number 2, ang rason ko din is wala tayong pera, there's no money for the operation. So gusto ko baka may magpa-check up lang ako, baka pwede pa sa gamot-gamot lang guys ba, kasi hindi talaga ako makapagpa-opera kung ganyan man lang. Hindi ko siya kaya na ayoko that, para bang ang hirap mag-breathing.
Huh?
Yung mag-inhale ka, sobrang sakit niya. As in,
That's in here.
couple days na akong kaganito guys. Yung nag PPD, akala ko nga hindi ako papasukin kasi I'm not feeling well that time. Sobra akong naluluka guys. Babangon na ako kasi today is a parade of Jake. Tomorrow na yung yung laro niya. So titingnan natin. I'm gonna wake up Jake ko mami ha. Sa oras inyo mukha mo lakaw. Paridro ninyo? Ay, mamaya pa pala sila. Mamaya pa siya. Oo, aalis guys. Jacket mo ni Danny dahil sinuot ko. Kasi para na siyang duster eh. Okay? mag-change tayo ng ano guys. Kasi, how you call that? Yung cover natin ba? Hindi talaga to cover. Para bang blanket siya. Ano ba lang to guys? 2 araw. Mag-change ako every 3 days na. Ang pinakakalungkot na talaga guys nung okay lang naman na ako ang magkakasakit guys. Kaso lang, ang napakahirap lang din talaga is kung magkasakit ka, magkaka-worse yan. Sino mag-aalaga sa kanila? Diba? Hihirapan talaga ako guys. Kasi hindi ganun kadali na magkasakit ba. Ayaw ko rin silang na magkasakit guys. Kasi mas naluluka ako. Sila naman ang magkakasakit. Talaga. Yun yung mga guys. Ano siya? You're done? At madami tayong labahan guys. I have 5 basket something. Hindi ko siya malaban lahat. Kasi yung that, yung sampayan natin hindi kasya yan. Kakaluka talaga to guys eh. At sobra ako maluluka pag winter na talaga. Ito yung nararamdaman ko pag winter. Yung palagi kang magsisnis guys ba, sobrang sakit na talaga dito. Yan yung pinakaano ko talaga. Ito yung okay na nabili ko guys para kay Habi. Okay to guys. Sa okay lang talaga ako makahanap ng mga sizes nga ba. Ayan. Diba? How is it? Ito din guys. Okay din to. Ayan. Today, dami akong gagawin. Ay, hindi ako makapag-mask guys kasi pag mag-mask din ako, I know, need to be mask inside the house para naman walang makahawa sa'yo ba. Hindi naman ako hinga yung kung mabuot guys ba. Kakaluka talaga to eh. Ito yung pinaka-hate ko na magkasakit. yung tini hubby. Ayan. Ito siya. Yung pagkain kagabi guys, ayan. Yung natira, pinaano ko, pinarehit ko ulit. Rehit ba yan? Pero dito ko sa stove, pinaano guys, yung lulutuin mo ulit ba? Initon. Para later, si Jake aalis before 8 o'clock para sa parin nila. Nag-start yung pagdudugo ng ilong ko guys nung nasa Libanon ako kasi sa tuwing maglalaba ako doon, yung Zumrox nila as in strong talaga. Then, pag maglilinis ako ng CR, yung mga gamit sa CR as in strong. And then, yung lamig doon. Kasi nag-work ako ng Lebanon for 5 years something eh. Every winter talaga guys, grabe. Yan yung the best suffering ko every winter. Tapos pagkain doon, minsan spicy, yung gano'n. Ayaw ko na mamamili na magluluto ka pa ng ibang pagkain. Magagalit kaya yan sila. Para bang nag-iinarte ka. So, what we prepare a food, yun talaga. Hindi yung magluluto ka pa ng sarili mong pagkain. Dahil, yan. So, anong kinakain nila guys, yun din ang kakainin mo.
Okay, it's me.
So, how are you? How are you this morning?
I'm good this morning. Had a good time, good sleep. A little bit late to go to sleep, but a good sleep. I think I only wake up, 2 times, something like that. And now I got my tea, so pretty soon it's going to be really, really good.
Daddy.
Oh, goodness, Wifey. Oh, everything nearly spilled.
Sorry. Ate Marlene gonna go something today.
Today?
When she gonna come back?
Yeah,
Okay.
she'll be back.
Are you sure you want me to go?
Well, you need to find out about your adenoid. That's what that's called.
Honestly guys, I don't have a plan to have an operation for this. Kasi sinabi ko naman sa inyo, it's really hard to do an operation na ikaw yung inaasahan ng asawa mo to taking care with him, especially day and night. Kasi palagi to wifey, yung ganun guys mo. Kain tayo guys. Francis. And then this one, cheese bread. Shout out to Ate Ann pala last night. She come over and give us a food. A McDonald's. Thank you,
One of my
Ate
favorite
Ann.
foods.
Thank you, Ate Ann and Sir Jay for the food last night. Kami nakapag-usap ng maayos talaga kasi she's not feeling well and then I'm not feeling well as well. May lagnat talaga tayo. Magkakalagnat ako, guys, when I have a cough. I have a sinus attack. Ayun. Instead that you're going to make it distance with them, Danny, ayaw niya talaga. It's not daw a scary thing. Yes, it's not a scary, but need to be careful because you're very, very, when it comes to be sick, guys ba, grabe. Kakaluka to silang magkasakit.
Wifey, you need to go for the checkup. You don't know what's going on exactly until the doctor tells you.
But hubby, it's very expensive, Daddy. What if they gonna give me a medicine for that? I will not buy.
Well, but you need to talk to the doctor to find out what he thinks. And if they give you a medicine, you don't have to buy it, but listen to the doctor. That's why you go to the doctor, to listen to him.
Hubby. So, if ever I will get the prescription, I will try to go in the pharmacy if how much is that, okay?
Yep.
I will put, this is me guys. If for me lang for me. Once I'm gonna know that this is the prices, I'm not really gonna buy guys. Kakaloka talaga ako, but for them,
Maybe
for,
depends on the price.
for them guys, yung really need talaga, bibilhin ko kasi for their own good naman eh. Anyway, today it's
Right.
parade of Jake. Tomorrow they gonna start for the game. He said just for one day lang daw. So the game of Jacob is 100 meter, 200 meter, 4 by 1 and long jump. Yan yung sinalihan niya guys. So we're praying for you na makukuha ka ulit. And then I know last time you win, the difference lang yung nagka problema lang talaga is difference ko yung na champion. Hindi isa lang ang dinala na nanalo sa San Carlos guys at hindi nadala si Jake kaya yan, but he still win for us no matter what. You're a good how you call that, Daddy? You're a good athletes for
Yep.
us, Langga, and good luck. You need to take a good rest for tomorrow. You can have a strength talaga na
Yep.
may lakas ka makapagtakbo for the long jump. I know you can make it. Okay? Trust yourself. Don't forget to pray. Always, always. Then you take care, You take care. Because and we're really saying sorry for you that we can go to watch your game. That's supposed to be the parents need a support for their children, especially like this kind of events. But I know you really understand. Can I borrow your towel, Daddy? I know you really understand the situation of your dad but can't go outside. So thank you so much, Nak, and I'm really sorry for that, But even though you didn't see us in there, our support with you is all the time in there, right, Habi? We as your parents really proud of you of what you cope up like that
Yeah.
for your dreams. That's your dreams. Anyway, i-update ko kayo later if I will go or not for check up. Nanuhan pa talaga ako ng kamay, guys. Hi, guys. Nag-antay na lang ako kay Ating Merlin. Nababalik kasi umalis pa siya. I'm ready to go for check-up now. Ay, kaloka naman to guys eh. Grabe na yung mukha ko guys. Mukha pa ba ito? Wala na akong boses kasi sa kaka-atching ko ba. Masakit na yung lalamunan. I hope na hindi siya serious ngayon. Para bang kaya lang yung gano'n. And let's see what's going on today. A-update ko kayo Ang maiwan ni Danny ngayon, si Baby. Ayan si Baby guys. Naguhugas. Tapos mamaya maglaba ako. Mag-ano ako kay Ate Merlin na magpatulong sa paglaba. Sakit sa mata ang kuwan guys. Kainit ba? Sakit sa mata. Update ko kayo mamaya guys. Babalik ako. Yes na kami guys.
Okay, abdi na.
Nagyaw-yaw na sa Timerlin guys. Sige gyaw-yaw, sige gyaw-yaw. Tagaan ni noon tikag sa inus. Ang gana go habi. Ako ko.
Hey,
Mm.
Merlin go to the wedding tomorrow, but not you?
Not me. I can go in there because I am not feeling well. Just in here man. So she will be the one ga proxy.
You have the flu yet? Oh, that was a big one.
May gulay.
Careful, man.
Ganito ako guys. Ay, bye-bye gang.
Ano na ba?
Siya muna may iwan kay Danny guys. Kasi ulis na kami guys. Tingnan natin eh. Dati. Wala si Dr. Yap guys. Punta tayo sa ibang doktor pero di same pa rin ng hospital guys ba.
Dugay ha, ang sipon di sa pwede dugay. Dugay na ni mag-infection ta, mao na maghilantan balik-balik. Okay? Ginawalaw. Okay. Ang sipon ngano dili pwede dugay kay kung dugay na ni ang mouth, nose, throat, it's a one-way track. Kung ang kalog na ni likod, mag-pneumonia ka ubo. Okay? So ato na i-treat. Ang tutunlan, sakit de. May tanaw ko. Okay. Wala sa bugnaw, way tamis ha. Tungod sa pulo kadlaw, nakalarap sa tambal, wala.
Sige katawan mo ate dok ay
Tamis man dok.
Oh, dili sa puwisi
Soft
ha.
drinks. Gusto kay soft drinks.
matumpok ka sa bawah. Kaya natin to part. Ay naku, nakana jud ko.
Iutok mo lang yan.
Pila ka to ang espiritu mo.
Nagsilang
Tama natin. Wapa na siya naubos guys. Naapay palitungon. Ang spray may problema kaayo. Gitentel lang na ako guys. Ay, ang gikinanglan 20-20 kabok niya after 10 days balik. Ay, abi na ako ang metal di madutlan. Hi guys, I'm back. Hindi ako muna nakapag-video talaga ng maayos sa...
Ano sa nang sigod?
Ha?
Ni bandiya sa kuan. Paulit sa gayan. Paulit na rin.
Kakauwi lang namin ni Ate Merlin galing ng ospital. Nagpa-check up.
Okay lang yung apo din.
May ano pa tayo guys. May bibilhin pa tayo ng mga gamot. Ang kinaurihan ko dito guys is yung spray. Really need to buy a spray. Naluluka ako kasi for 2 weeks yung spray. And then iba to na spray guys. A spray na dapat every side lang yung i-press mo, not the center one. I have a nasal spray. I have a nasal spray guys na ito yung ginagamit ko. Ito yung spray na ginagamit ko, guys, that worth 1,000 plus. Pero hindi ko siya na magagamit kasi ito is pang, ano lang talaga ba, yung ganyan-ganyan lang. Yung binigay sa akin na prescription na spray is yung i-press ko daw every side, not the center one. Kasi pag sentro daw, is really painful. So, tingnan natin kung magkano ang presyo. Umuwi ako agad kasi si Danny. It's around 12:05 na. For lunchtime na. Si Bibi lang kasi yung iniwan ko kay Danny. Wala pang for lunch. Siguro baka mamaya mag-canvas ako if magkano talaga yung yung spray natin. Then, ayaw ko muna bilhin yung the rest 10 10 na mga kaloka naman to na mga gamot, guys. Every item 10 lang talagang kinuha ko kasi kinain lang ng 3,000 yung ano ko, guys. Yung pera na dinala ko today, kinain lang. Akala ko is okay lang talaga. Kasi plan ko talaga na hindi ako bibili ng gamot. After she explained with me that if I didn't go for check-up daw, unya na siya. Binigyan ako ng antibiotic to kill the bacteria. So, titingnan natin. And then, after 10 days na maubos ko yung mga gamot, I need to go back for check-up again. So, ayan. For the meantime, si Ate Merlin, dito muna sa akin. Guys, kasi para akong naluka-luka. Down na down ako after I heard the spray. Another thing of spray. So, anyway, thank you so much. Ina-update ko lang kayo about our check-up day. At ito lang yung masasabi ko, guys. Ito na yung journey ko talaga. Gagawa talaga ako ng memories ko nito sa buhay-buhay natin. 'Di ba? So, thank you to Ate Merlin and Bibe. Ayan. Sila yung lagi kong tinatawagan talaga. Guys, especially for baby to stay with Danny. Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you for go all the time with our journey, guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. I really appreciate everything, especially for not skipping our ads. Laking tulong na yun, guys. Sobra. And please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell down below. Click all for every time that we're going to upload a new videos. You'll get a new notification right away. God bless everyone and see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye! Hindi ko lang mapigilan yung emotion. Naiyak lang ako, guys. Grabe si Dan. Na ano ako, guys, ba? Nabasa ko yung message ni Danny. Taloka naman to Down ako, guys. As in down. Journey ko talaga to.
Do not let your heart reach out.
Pa'y kanta ni Bibi nga. Kaloka si Bibi
In your back? You wanna double it?
Yep. Touch it. It's so wet. I'm all water. Okay? You feel it? The sweetness, okay?
Get it? Okay.
For the meantime, dito na muna ako sa sala magstay.